What up mga solid subscribers? Okay guys, manood po tayo ng updates po sa ating mahaliman. No? So very big shoutout po kay I'm Pa Price po, no? I'm Pa Price, no? So yun guys, tingin tayo ng updates sa kanila. No? Guys, marami tayong mga ano pala ngayon, no? Mga release po ng other P-pop groups din guys. Manood po tayo. No? Pero syempre, ano tayo? Kung SB19 mo panoorin, SB19 tayo, no? Okay? Kung ibang P-pop group panoorin din natin, walang masama doon naman doon. Pero ito guys, tingin tayo ng updates po sa ating mahaliman, no? So very big shoutout ulit, kakasabi ko lang kanina, no? Kay I'm Pa Price, no? Kanya po itong video ito na papanoorin natin, no? So suportahan natin yan, mga solido po, mga sumusuporta sa sa OPM music po talaga sa ating P-pop Kings SB19, no? Okay, tara, panoorin na ito.
Finally, after a very long time of waiting and praying, SB19 is officially going to hold their concert at the Philippine Arena.
Ooh.
According to Billboard Philippines, the P-pop Kings have once again made history as the first Filipino boy group to hold a major concert at the Philippine Arena.
Ibang level to guys, as in ibang level to. Kasi imagine niyo guys na usually yung mga nagpe-perform sa Philippine Arena is like paano ba? Mga group of artists sila, no? Or pwede ring binubuo sila ng kunyari, isang company and then maraming artists po ang magkakasama-sama doon, no? Pero this time solo concert po ng SB19, if I'm correct guys, no? Tama?
Once again made history as the first Filipino boy group to hold a major concert at the
Yeah, no? To be the first Filipino boy group, no, to hold a major concert at the Philippine Arena, guys, no. Napaka-solid nito, guys, no. Kaya syempre dito natin ma-prove, guys, kung hanggang saan po kaya ng SB19 talagang ipaano, no. I think, pero I'm very sure, guys, maso-sold out po talaga to, guys. Sold out po ito, no. Pero ito po yung magtatatak po talaga sa or magmamarka po sa ating mga Pinoy, no? Or kahit hindi na sa Pinoy, sa international artists, international fans, lahat po, no? Na ibang level po talaga ang SB19, guys. No? Kasi pag napuno po nila ito, for me, sobrang grabe nito, no? Kumbaga, pag napuno na ito, okay na. Meron, at least nagawa natin isang achievement na prove natin na kaya natin punuin ang Philippine Arena. Kasi yung Araneta Coliseum, kayang-kaya nilang punuin yun, guys, talaga, eh, no? Pero yung iba't ibang mga dome, iba't ibang mga lugar, mga pwedeng pagtanghalan ng concert, guys, kayang-kayang punuin, eh. So, eto yung Philippine Arena po talaga, guys. So, this is a very good opportunity sa SB19 para ma-prove po nila sa mga, alam mo yun, sa mga taong hindi naniniwala po talaga sa kanila na kayang-kaya po talaga nila, no? So, ito po yung malaking sampal po sa kanila, no? For me, this is a very good opportunity para ma-prove po talaga nila, no? So, ewan ko na lang kung meron pa rin mga abnormal na magsusulputan dyan, no? Pero pag halimbawang may nakita kayong comment na sinabi na, ano ba yan? Hindi naman ganyan-ganyan yan. SB19, ganto, ganyan. Di ba? Yung mga negative comments, di ba? Ang sabihin na lang, okay, sige. Kung nagda-doubt ka sa kanila, napuno naman nila ang Philippine Arena, no, di ba? So, parang gano'n lang, magiging sampal sa kanila to.
Philippine Arena. On February 13th, it was announced through SB19's official social media accounts that
actually nakita ko to, guys, no, sa post letter F, let's go. Sa post, no, sa Facebook, no, sa news feed ko, no. Nakikita ko nga itong mga post na to, no, and ayun, nakita ko lang. Pero hindi ko pa alam pinaka full detail about this one.
Concert for the upcoming SAW World Tour is scheduled to take place on May 31st at 7 in the evening. This early announcement was greatly appreciated by their fans, as it gave them enough time to be appreciated by...
Okay.
This early announcement was greatly appreciated by their fans, as it gave them enough time to schedule their leave and plan for the whole event. What's even more interesting is that, even though the group hasn't announced the ticket prices for the concert yet, many fans have already booked their accommodations at hotels or Airbnbs near the Philippine Arena.
Woo! Ang solid nyo naman. Pero kasi ang, ano lang dito, no? For me, ang downside lang dito, no? Pero I'm very sure naman, guys, hindi ito maka-cancel, no? Ang downside lang dito. Paano lang, kunyari, no? Na hindi mo ito, nagka-problema, diba, no? So, hindi na siya pwedeng i-cancel na. Pero, that's just shows talaga, guys, na ibang level po talaga ang suportang binibigay ng Pinoy or syempre 18, no? Sa SB19 po talaga. Na grabe, pinapakita nyo lang na talagang worth ano sila, parang sila yung pinaka-deserving talaga na P-Pop Kings po talaga. Kung ba't sila P-Pop Kings po talaga. Ano.
One fan even shared on Twitter that an Airbnb owner confirmed they are already fully booked from May 30 to June 1st for the SB19
Grabe.
concert. I guess everyone is pretty excited for this upcoming event, even though the location of the Philippine Arena isn't very accessible and might be too far
Tama.
for some fans. But regardless, 18 will always be there to show their full support.
Take note guys ha, sa Bulacan yan. Tapos, ano pa, ano ka pa, like, expressway ka pa, no? NLEX, no? North Luzon Expressway, no? So, hindi siya ganun ka-accessible. Sa pagkakatanda ko nga guys, walang masyadong accommodation, like, walang masyadong mga hotel dyan. Wait lang, nababahing ako guys, wait lang. Okay, very very sorry, no? Nabahing po tayo, let's go. Ayun, no? Alam ko guys ha, kasi ilang beses na rin ako napadaan dyan, no? Or meron din kasi akong friend dyan na nakatira malapit sa Philippine Arena. Yung bahay nila, tanaw mo na yung Philippine Arena, no? Parang wala akong makita. Correct me if I'm wrong lang ha, pero parang malayo pati yung mga accommodation dyan. I think yung ginawa nila is yung medyo malapit, like 30 minutes away na po sa Philippine Arena. Mga ganong mga distansya.
Especially for this one, as it might be the biggest and grandest concert of the boys. Well, because for some reason, the first to announce the locations for SB19's upcoming world tour was none other than the official and main Billboard account. Even the general manager of Sony Music Philippines reacted to this, saying, if Billboard is the one announcing SB19's world tour, they must think the kings of P-pop are destined for something even bigger this year.
Tama guys, alam niyo naman yung Billboard guys, diba? Hindi lang naman yan basta-bastang social media platform or company, no? Hindi yan basta-basta guys, no? Kaya Billboard yung nag-announce guys, this is a very good thing kasi talagang na-appreciate nila or talagang nire-respeto nila ang SB19 or like, paano ko ba explain to? Like, binibigyan nila ng tamang appreciation po talaga ang SB19.
SB19 truly deserves a bigger stage, and in a way, they've already given us a preview of what it might look like when they take over the Philippine Arena. Remember their performance at the 2023 Asian Artist Awards? They delivered a world-class act that went viral once again. And that was just them as part of the program. Now in 2025, they're coming back to the same venue, but this time, it's for their own major concert.
Tama.
Now, the group has made another announcement about the next venues for their world tour concert. On June 29th, they will fly to Taipei and hold their concert at Zepp New Taipei, which has a capacity of more than 2,000 seats.
Ito guys, so tingnan nga natin kung ilan yung seating capacity po ng Philippine Arena. Check natin ha. Okay guys, kung makikita nyo, no, Philippine Arena, 55,000 ang seating capacity po niya. No? So, tingnan natin ang seating capacity po ng Araneta Coliseum. Alam niyo naman, naging ilang concert, ano ba yan? Parang 2-day concert. Sabihin natin 2-day concert, no? Okay, tingnan natin. Okay guys, dito naman tayo sa Araneta Coliseum guys. No? Usually din naman talaga nag-concert ng SB19, no? Pag mga solo concert, 16,500 po guys, no? So usually, yung R-Zone concert guys, correct me if I'm wrong, pero parang 2-day concert yun, no? Correct me if I'm wrong lang guys, ha? Sabihin natin 60,500, tapos sold out yun, no? So 16,500 plus 16,500 is equals to 33,000 po guys, no? So, hindi na siya imposible guys mangyari, no? Kasi lalo na nung yung R-Zone concert way back 2 to 3 years from now ba? Correct me if I'm wrong ulit. Hindi ko na matandaan, hindi pa ako makapagano. So hindi ko na matandaan. No? So hindi pa siya imposible guys mangyari po talaga, no? Hindi siya imposible mangyari. Lalo na naalala niyo yung mga voting natin guys, no, 'di ba? Doon pa lang guys, lamang na po tayo, 'di ba? Kayang-kaya natin punuin 'yan, no? And walang imposible po guys, no? 55,000 CCU yan, no? Napakalaki pang araw para mag-prepare, no? So hindi ko lang alam kung gaano ka ingay doon sa Philippine Arena. Grabe.
Then, on August 24th, the concert will take place at Arena Expo in Singapore,
Damn.
with a seating capacity of over 6,000. So far, still no updates about the ticket selling schedule and prices, so stay tuned for more updates about it. And did you know that SB19 has been gaining more followers and interactions in China, despite having only a few promotions there? To find out more details, watch this next video and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to stay updated.
Shoutout po kay I'm Pop Price, no? Subscribe po kay I'm Pop Price, no? Napaka-solid niya, no? So, ayun. For me guys, kayang-kayang punuin po yan. No? So, actually, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin to kasi matik na po talaga siya guys. Matik na ako punuin, maniwala kayo sa akin. No? So, to the point pa nga guys na may mga kaibigan ako guys na nag-PPM nga na sa akin na kung manonood daw ako. No? So, waiting din ako guys sa ticket po. No? Waiting din ako sa ticket. Ang dami nagtatanong sa akin guys na manonood daw ba ako, and may nag-PM na kailan daw yung mga tickets. Sabi ko, wala pang idea kasi wala pang nare-release kung kailan yung no? Pero for me guys, maniwala kayo sa akin. Once na na-release po yan, ubusan agad yan guys, maniwala kayo sa akin, di ba? No? Kahit gano'n pa kalayo, kahit nasa ibang bansa pa yung 18, kahit nasa Mindanao or nasa ibang lugar pa yan, no? Bibili po yung mga yan dahil sa support na ibibigay nila sa SB19. No? And, yun pa lang guys, matik na, solid na, finish na, SB19 the best. Let's go. So, ayun na guys. Maraming salamat sa na aking video, no? And at the same time, I hope na na-enjoy nyo itong video to, no? And syempre, very big shout out ulit ko kay Empa Price, no? So, this is Point of View signing out. Peace. Let's see.